Hang'em High is played on a 12 feet by 12 feet field with 3 slanted arcs with indents that act as goals. 4 robots start in the colored squares. There are 2 teams called alliances with colors red and blue respectively. They must fit inside an 18-inch by 18-inch by 18-inch space and can be placed in any fashion as long as some part is touching the colored square. 4 cones are placed in the center. These are worth 5 points each. They can be scored by being placed in a color tile. The score will go to the alliance of that color. A total of 16 unscored game pieces are placed on the field, next to each starting square. Regular game objects can be scored in 2 ways, either by pushing them into the colored squares or by hanging them. Hanging them is worth 2 points, and placing them in the squares is worth 1 point. An alliance controls a goal if they have the majority of the game objects on the goal that is next. An extra point is awarded for each goal that they control. 6 game pieces are scored on the goals, 1 of each color on each goal. The match starts with a 20-second autonomous. There is a 10-point bonus awarded to the winner. Robots can be scored by knocking objects off goals or pushing objects out of squares. 3 of the 4 robots have an autonomous. Blue has a raw score of 6 and controls no goals, making for a final score of 6. Red has a raw score of 10 and a bonus toe for controlling 2 goals. That's a total of 12 points. Red receives the 10 autonomous bonus. Next up is a 2-minute driver-controlled period. The robot of the Blue Alliance is finally moving. A robot on the Red Alliance grabs 2 cones, then throws out 2 blue objects. Pieces thrown out will not be replenished. The other Red Alliance robot D-scores blue, and then flips. Alliance members can help each other get up if flipped. The final score for blue is 14. Red has a raw score of 22, with a 10-point autonomous bonus and a 2-point bonus for controlling 2 goals, making for a final score of 34. The Red Alliance wins!